Hi everyone! Welcome back to MomNMeBeauty. Today we are going to be doing the recreating French art on my face makeup challenge. Now, I don't think anyone has ever done this, but this was inspired by a French project that I had to do, which was recreate a famous piece of French art. So I chose the Starry Night by Vincent Van Gogh, and I thought, hey, I might as well create a look with the yellow and blue and the white kind of swirls in the painting. Well, the white swirls kind of turned into white lashes. So let's get into this. Okay, so we are going to start off with priming my eyes. So I'm going to take a mixture of the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory, and I'm going to set that with the It Cosmetics 5x4 pressed powder. So to start off the eye look, I'm going to take the Too Faced Clover palette, and I'm going to use the shade Good Boy, which is that yellow shade at the bottom, and I'm going to take that in my crease. Yes, I know, it sounds so crazy, but it's going to get even crazier. So I'm going to use the yellow to tie it into the picture like I'm going to do with the rest of this eye look. Next, I'm going to take the big Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette, and I'm going to take that bluish purple shade in the second to last row, and I'm going to apply that on my lid. I'm actually going to take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I'm going to try to attempt the swirls that way. So to make this look better, I'm applying lots of concealer to just make the lines a lot crisper. Okay, and just to top this off, I'm going to apply a little bit of lipstick. Now I'm going to use the NYX Liquid Lipstick, Stockholm. So that is it for this recreating French art on my face makeup challenge. I hope you got a lot of laughs out of this because I feel like I look really crazy. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe down below to see more videos from our channel. We post 2 beauty videos a week, one on Mondays, which is a Mom Me Day, and on Thursdays, which is either with me or my mom. And be sure to comment down below what you thought of this video. Be sure to connect with us on Instagram under MomNMeBeauty, and with me under Emma_N_2004. And I will see you next time in our next Mom Me video. Bye everyone!